Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. My name is Katie, for those of you that don't know me, and I make home decor and lifestyle videos here on YouTube. So today's vlog, we're gonna be cleaning and unboxing some new dining furniture. Super excited. Vlog is pretty much a weekend in my life, so to save some money, this is a tip for you. I picked up my new dining chair at the local store warehouse. That way I don't have to pay for shipping. And of course, it was a Friday night, brought it home, and then when the hubby got back from work, you know he needed to set this up because I was anxious to see it in my space. So here we are unboxing it and putting it all together, and then him and my stepdad did all the work. So for some reason, the lighting in my home is not bringing the true colors of this beautiful table, and I was just not having it. It looks green to me in the screen because of the light, but it's a true gray color, and it's like a light tone color, and the wood and the grain is such a beautiful table. It also comes in dark. So Saturday morning, I got my dining chairs delivered and I was so happy. I paid for curbside delivery, and of course I have to unbox it myself and get rid of the boxes and all of that good stuff. But anyways, I only paid $79 for that, so it was a save. You know, we're all about saving over here. So I'm happy to unbox these chairs because I wanted them for the longest, and I got them at such a good price compared to other places. And here the best part was that they came fully assembled, and this comes with little wheels, so I'm obsessed. Look how beautiful, you guys. Here's how the new dining room furniture looks. I am very happy with the way everything looks in here. I am obsessed with the dining table and the chairs. It is simply beautiful. I do want to make some extra changes to the space, like of course getting new light fixtures for above the dining table and doing something to the back wall of the dining area. But this is how everything is looking right now. Sunday morning, and while the hubby was working outside in our new little project that I'm going to be sharing with you soon, I was washing the dishes after I made breakfast, and then I was going to get ready to start cleaning my home and just resetting it for the week and get it ready to start adding some sprinkles of spring decor. So I bought a bunch of these little inserts that you put in your Swiffer, and let me tell you, I am obsessed. I clean my cabinets with this, I clean my walls, and they're machine washable. When you're done, you just throw them in the washer and get them washed, and you could reuse them again. So I want to link them for you because this is game changer, especially to clean your walls and your cabinets, guys. So to clean my cabinets, I usually use a little bit of Clorox, water, and a little bit of Dawn soap, and I just scrub that solution in, and then I rinse it with clean water. Some new stuff for my under cabinet. It wasn't in bad shape, honestly, but it was time to give it a clean, so I took everything out and I'm gonna rearrange this area and clean it. So let's do this. Look how gross that was. And if you don't have one of these soap dispenser thing, you need to hook this up because you will have soap for time to come. I bought this linen thing and it's made like of rubber, which is gonna be perfect for under the kitchen cabinet. Amazon. And then I'm cleaning up all my inserts and we're gonna set them up and open the new ones as well. Like this one is new that I got. Then I'm playing to see how I want to set them up. I also did a little restock in some of the items that I needed, and again I kept playing and playing to see how I wanted the whole thing set up. After I was done organizing the kitchen sink area, I went ahead and kept on cleaning around the kitchen, making sure my counters, my stove, everything was nice and clean, my backsplash as well. I also cleaned my windows. Remember that little Swiffer insert that I told you about? I told you you need this in your life. I also use it to clean my windows. I put a little arrangement there on the dining table after I was done cleaning it, and I continued to just clean the inside windows because they always get full of little fingerprints because of the kids. Then we went ahead and dusted the shelf area in the living room. Bathroom, I went ahead and gave it a nice clean. It was pretty much clean, but you know the deal. I always like to just clean and keep everything clean for the most part. We haven't had any guests, so the bathroom was not in bad shape. So I also clean my walls in this area because Jaden tends to, you know, get his fingers all over this place, and clean the entryway. I'm not gonna go crazy in the entryway because I'm thinking of making changes to this area soon. So stay tuned for those changes. Guys, remember that I shared with you in one of my previous videos that I did a cleaning card. If you haven't done one, you need to do this, okay? Then I went ahead and mapped the entire house after I was done cleaning. Guys, that was it for today's video. Thanks a lot for watching. I will catch you on the next one. Don't forget to come back so we could decorate this house for spring. You guys, I am deciding what to do to this wall here. Should we add some wine racks, sideboard? Let me know down in the comments what you think I should do to this area of the dining room.